Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today we are checking out Sing by Ed Sheeran, a mega hit and a really great one if you're just learning your minor chords on the guitar. It just uses A minor and E minor all of the way through. So I'm going to give you a full play along with the track now. I'm going to be just using simple strumming at the beginning, and then I might try adding a few little bits and pieces in to give you some ideas of how you might develop it. The key thing here, if you're a beginner, is to keep it simple. Okay, start with just the very easy one strum per bar thing, and if you're feeling like, yeah, I'm kind of cool with this, then maybe try experimenting with any other patterns that you've learned. There's no set pattern in this song, so it's up to you to kind of feel out which is the one that feels good for you for this song. It's one of those skills that you need to develop as you progress on your journey. So let's get stuck in. There's a lot of room in that tune to explore different grooves and different ways of playing, and it's the kind of thing that you'll probably find super helpful. These are not difficult chords to change between, so you really can have a little bit of an experiment there. I was doing a few of the kind of fancy patterns. There was one I was using that seemed to cop up quite naturally. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Now, for many beginners, that'll be a pretty tricky pattern, okay? 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a... But those of you a little bit further down the road might like to experiment with that. Also, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. There was another pattern that seemed to just feel kind of natural as I was going through it, but there isn't a rule. So one of the things that you're going to discover as you play a little bit more is that some patterns just feel more natural than others. I kind of squeezed in there for a little while, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down. Now, I could do it. It didn't feel great as I was playing it. I was like, well, I'm kind of, square peg round hole kind of feeling, but it's okay to do that, and you should be exploring different strumming patterns and trying to figure out which ones feel good for you. If I wasn't playing with a back and track and I was playing like with friends at a party, I could definitely be using a pattern like that, and it would feel nice. It would probably feel pretty cool. So if you're an Ed Sheeran fan, you'll find loads more lessons of his over on my website, so do check that out. I do a couple of quite detailed ones and how to use a looper and that kind of thing as well. If you're a real beginner, do check out my beginner song course app. It's got loads and loads of great songs for beginners. It's got all of the stuff that you need to learn, and strumming pattern, finger style, how to play the chords, chord exercises. You can record your 1-minute changes so you can see how, watch your progress, and that can be quite an inspiring thing. There's loads and loads of stuff in it. It's available for Android and iOS. There'll be a link in the description, so please do go and check it out. I'll see you for plenty more guitar lessons very soon. You take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.